I said we were going to come back to this green building. This green building, besides being Ferris Bueller's dad's office building, is also one of those postmodern buildings from the same people who gave us the pink building that we started the whole tour with. So that pink building they did in 1990. This one they did in 1983, which is known by its address, 333 West Wacker Drive. Now that is a very postmodern building. It's having fun with architecture by referring to its context. Number one, it reflects its context. That's an easy way to refer to your context. Number two, it's curved to fit in with where it's located at the curve of the river's confluence. Number three, green windows for the water in front of it, blue windows for the sky behind it. Isn't that cool? So one way to think about those postmodern buildings, because they're referring to their context so much to have fun with architecture, that means they really have to be where they're at to make sense. If you take that building from where it's at, put it across the river a couple blocks away, the green windows won't make sense, the curve won't make sense. That's essentially the exact opposite of that just the cake modernist style office buildings that we've been seeing. Modernism, another name for it, is literally internationalism, because you can take a big black box, put it anywhere in the world, it's not going to stick out too much. Now the building on the right, if you're curious about what it's going to look like